Just admit it, most Excel sheet tabs are boring. So, if you're working with multiple worksheets, there's a simple trick that makes your Excel sheets easier to navigate and look more professional. The best part is it only takes about a minute to add the icons directly to your sheet tabs. Here's how it's done. The first step is to add a few new sheets by clicking on the plus sign, then change the names by double-clicking and typing what you want. Next, change the tab color by right-clicking, then choosing Tab Color. Here you have some options. You can either go with the basic colors or go under More Colors, which will open a dialog box with two tabs, Standard and Custom, and these options give you a ton of more colors to pick from. Next, to add the icons, the first step is to double-click on a sheet like you're going to edit it. Then press Windows period. A box will pop up, and here's where you can choose your icons. At this point, you have a couple choices. You can either search for the icon by typing in the search box, or click on the smiley face, and that'll open up the emoji gallery. In the gallery, you can click on the icons in the top row to view different categories, or scroll down a bit to see the various type of emojis you can choose from. Once you find one you like, click on it, and it'll be inserted. And there you go. Now, just to wrap up, you can do these steps in any order that you want. For example, you can add a sheet, then press Windows period to add your first icon, then type in the sheet name, then change the sheet color. It's really just a matter of whatever works best for you.